morning students. Welcome to the science class. We are doing chapter number 10, force and friction. In this we have already studied about contact forces. Contact forces are of two types. One we have already discussed, that is applied force. And I had told you in the previous video that friction we will be discussing separately. So today we are going to discuss about friction. Okay. Now, look here. This man is trying to push a heavy box in this direction. And a force is trying to resist this, to stop him from moving the box. And this force is acting in the opposite direction. This force, which is opposing the movement of this box, is called friction. Similarly, here, when you roll a ball on a surface, after some time the ball comes to rest. It slows down and then comes to rest. This is also because of a force which is acting in the opposite direction of the motion. So let us define friction. Force that offers resistance when two surfaces in contact move or try to move. In simple words, we can say that force which opposes motion is called friction. In this first case, the table or the box was at rest and the man was trying to move it. The box is in contact with the floor, right? These are the two surfaces, surface of the floor, surface of the box. When this box is, the man is trying to push the box, the frictional force is acting against it to try to stop him. Similarly, in the case of the ball was rolled from here, it should have gone endless, but the force of friction is opposing it, and slowly and gradually the speed becomes less and the ball comes to rest. Now, what is the cause of this frictional force? Children, however smooth the surfaces, it might appear to be very smooth, but still under microscopic studies it has been found that all the surfaces have certain irregularities. Means, if you observe the surface under microscope, it won't appear to be smooth, it will be having certain bumps and ridges. Okay, irregularities, that is. And as the irregularities interlock, two surfaces having irregularities come in contact, a time comes when these irregularities get interlocked with each other. Means get fixed, which opposes the motion, right? It slows down and then comes to rest. So interlocking of the irregularities of the two surfaces is the cause of friction. Now come back to this diagram. Suppose instead of this big box, we have a small and comparatively lighter box, which is lighter in weight than this box. And the same man, he is trying to push this box. Will he be able to push it easily or would it be difficult for him? It would be easy for him because it is lighter in weight. Right? Frictional force is acting against it also. But because the mass is less, the friction is also less. That means friction depends on the mass of the object also. Then here I have rolled the ball on a smooth surface, so it has covered a larger distance. Here in this case, I have rolled the ball in a rough surface, on a grassy surface or a rough road or something. The ball would cover lesser distance in comparison to the first one. the friction, these two factors are mass of the object and nature of the surface in contact. Heavier the object, more will be the friction. Lighter the object will have less friction. That means if you are trying to move a heavy object, it is difficult to move, whereas in case of lighter object, it becomes easier. Nature of the surface, if you are trying to move the same ball on a rough surface, it is difficult or it covers lesser distance. Whereas in case of smooth surfaces like smooth table, sun mica or something, it will get less friction, means less resistance to the motion will be there. So students, in this video today we have discussed about the definition of friction, force that offers resistance when two surfaces in contact move or try to move. We have studied about cause of friction, that is interlocking of the irregularities of the surfaces, and factors affecting friction, mass of the object and nature of the surface in contact. I hope you will find this video helpful in understanding the concept. Thank you.